Rabbits. Yes, yes, rabbits. Some people have little rabbits as pets. Now, rabbits can be used for many different things. They can be used as a pet, of course, but many countries eat rabbits. So rabbits are an important white meat. So just like chicken is a white meat and cow or beef is a red meat, rabbits are important white meat for people to eat. Now, rabbits can also be used for different things because their fur can be used for fiber. So, like sheep were used, their wool was used to make different things like sweaters. Rabbit fur can also be used to make different things like coats or hats. Now, it's not used as much as it was before, but a lot of different countries still use rabbits as meat and food. So in America, a lot of people still eat rabbits, whether it's the domesticated rabbit or some people still go out and hunt rabbit to eat. Rabbits are a very important meat source to many people. But some people like to look at them as cute and cuddly pets. And that is totally fine because they are very nice pets to have. But let's see what else we have on the farm.